Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I just want to walk you through an over the shoulder of how I find good strong keywords for my listings. The bottom line is we're basically going to use an extension called DS Amazon Quick View. A lot of you will already have it, and it'll list the BSRs on the front page. All right. So let's say I want to upload a pirate shirt. I'm not sure. It looks tough. There's a lot of reviews. I'll probably have to find an angle to get into this one, but let's just say I'm looking for a good one. So DS Amazon Quick View pulls up all the BSRs. So I'm looking for stuff that's selling fairly regularly. So let's say 500,000 roughly and below, or even 700,000, because it means it's sold within the past 7 days or something. So this looks good. So I'm going to open this. Open this. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. All right, we'll just work with that. And so basically, as we know, the title bears the strongest impact on the ranking. So this is probably having a very strong impact on people finding it. Surrender the booty. All right, very nice. All right, this is all generic. Gift, special someone. This whole bullet point is generic. There's nothing useful here. And this as well. I'm pretty sure they copy paste these two in all listings. So what it looks like the brand is as well. I'm just going to click on it out of curiosity. Okay. This is what's ranking the shirt. So funny pirate t-shirt, humor tee. So I would basically make a list, online list. Free. Bit unprepared here. Oh, interesting. What I would basically do is I would do funny pirate t-shirt. And then the fact that there was like humor there, let's just write that down, humor tee. And we can sort these out later. All right, we jump here. How's this? Fly the flag of the skull and crossbones like the pirates in the Caribbean. Wow, that is definitely pretty dangerous. Pirates of the Caribbean, I believe, is the movie. I would not do that. Somalia, all right, Pirates of Somalia, interesting. Fun costume, I like this, the costume one. Unique pattern, pirates t-shirt, woman, pirates t-shirt for men. Interesting. So these just seem like keywords strung together incoherently, which is not the best way to go. Here we go. T-shirt for Papa, so that maybe like a Father's Day thing. Jolly Roger apparel. I like that. The only thing is I'm not sure if Jolly Roger is trademarked. So it seems to be okay. Let's just do this. Pirate costume. That's what we found there. I think they're getting this from the autocorrect. Pirate t-shirts. No, they're not. Okay. Auto suggest, I meant. And then here you go. Skull, pirate flag, crossbones. So you could do skull, pirate flag, crossbones. And we just jump through a couple last ones. So this is clearly, and I think one of the reasons this is selling is that Father's Day is on the horizon. Might be boosting it. In any case, it's a pretty solid gift for dad. Skull and crossbones seems to be a recurring theme. Pirate hat, that's a good one. Pirate dad, I be the captain of this here crew. Pirate dad, I like that one. So pirate dad shirt, pirate themed party, that's a good one as well. All right. Pirate dad, pirate themed party. But like I said, the most important thing is the title for ranking. So I would basically actually do like Captain Dad as well. And then if you're trying to rank this for Father's Day, definitely put Father's Day in the title as it has a strong ranking. All right, skeleton dabbing t-shirt, leak all over the dabbing stuff, especially when it comes to holidays. Well played, leak. This one is basically, hang on. This one's basically a typical Jolly Roger pirate skull shirt, which actually could be a good one. So Jolly Roger pirate skull shirt. And then last but not least, we have the pirate that's crossed with a princess, so for girls. So a princess pirate. All right, let me just check this real quick out of curiosity. Princess pirate. All right, we're good. And it's kind of like a cool, kind of like a badass vibe there. So I do princess pirate. If your shirt is more themed for like a girl, course, all these have to be relevant. Treasure, pirate ship, eye patch, loving all these. Costume. So you can basically do like eye patch, treasure, and pirate ship. And basically now you aggregate all the data that you have, that you've validated already, because all these are selling. So you know that these keywords are ranking. So princess pirate shirt. Just that's out of curiosity again. Princess pirate costume. Just do shirt. What about 100? Why be a princess when you can be a pirate? It's very cool. Seems to be selling pretty okay. Got some Disney, strong competitor. Why be a princess? Yeah, this looks like a pretty decent one to try to get a crack into. It's just got 100 results. And I'm sure if you just start off your title with princess pirate shirt and then do why be a princess. All right, that's it. There's a lot of noise now. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to put all these in the listing and talk soon.